Hello everyone! I'm really excited today because we're finally stepping into the world of character animation and rigging in After Effects. Honestly, I feel like I'm a bit late to cover this topic, as this is where the true heart of animation lies. In my upcoming videos, I'm planning a full tutorial series where we'll create professional character animations using Duik Angela. But before we dive into the deep end, we need to set our foundation. That's why today, I'll show you the first and most essential step, how to download and properly install the Duik Angela plugin in After Effects. Duik Angela is more than just a tool. It's a massive library designed to streamline your entire workflow. During the setup, it's crucial to place the files in the correct directory. So, let's head over to the official website and get this powerful plugin ready for action. Now, let's start by opening any web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in Duik Angela and hit enter. From the search results, we're going to the official Rainbox Lab website. This is where you can always find the most up-to-date and secure version of the plugin. Once you're on the page, let's scroll down a bit and click on the download button. You might see a few different options here, but we're going to stick with the latest version. Now, on this screen, you'll see options to make a voluntary donation to support the developers. Since we're going to proceed without donating for now, just check the first box. After that, click the Submit button below to access the download link. And here we are on the download page. You'll see Duik Angela listed here, along with the version number and some other technical details. All we need to do is click the download button right below it. Once you click that, the plugin will start downloading to your computer. The download is finished. Now, let's click on the file and head over to our Downloads folder. As you can see, the file is in .zip format. To open it and access the contents, you'll need an archiving program installed on your computer. I'll be using WinRAR for this process. If you have WinRAR or a similar tool, just right-click the file and select Extract here to move forward. Now, let's right-click on the downloaded file and move down to the WinRAR option. In the side menu that pops up, click on Extract Files. This will extract all the contents into a new folder, making it much easier for us to work with. Once that's done, we'll have everything ready for the final installation steps. Now, let's double-click the extracted folder to open it. We've reached the most important part of the installation, so please pay close attention. First, open the folder named Script. Inside, you'll find another folder called ScriptUI Panels. Go ahead and open that one too. Now, select all the files you see here and hit Copy. These are the core files that will allow the plugin to run inside After Effects. Now that we've copied the files, we need to place them into the After Effects System folder. Go to the drive where your After Effects is installed. For me, it's the C drive. Follow this path: C drive, Program Files, Adobe, Adobe After Effects, and then open the Support Files folder. From here, find and open the Scripts folder. Then locate ScriptUI Panels. Now, simply paste all the files we copied earlier into this folder. If a Windows security prompt appears, just click Continue to grant permission. And that's it! We've officially finished the technical part of the setup. Now, let's go back to the Downloads folder, open the Duik Angela folder, and enter the Scripts directory. From here, we're going to select and copy all the files except for the ScriptUI Panels folder we used earlier. Next, navigate back to the After Effects installation path and open the Scripts folder. Now, we need to create a new folder right here. Right-click on any empty space and select New Folder. When the system prompt appears, just click Continue to proceed. Finally, let's rename this new folder as Duik Angela. Now, let's open the Duik Angela folder we just created and paste all the files we copied earlier right inside. Now, we have one last step left. Let's go back to the Downloads folder and open the Duik Angela folder. Select these two files named Tools and License and copy them. Now, navigate back to the After Effects directory and paste these two files into the Duik Angela folder we just created. And that's it! We have successfully completed the installation process. Now, let's launch After Effects and check if the plugin is working correctly. When After Effects opens, you might see a script error or a warning pop up. Since we just installed the new plugin, this is completely normal, so don't panic. The solution is much simpler than you think. Now, I'll show you how to fix this and how to run the plugin with full permissions. Now, let's click OK on the warning message, which will automatically open the After Effects settings. Once there, we need to go to the Scripting and Expressions section. The most important thing here is to enable the first option at the top. Allow scripts to write files and access network. After checking that box, simply click OK to finish. Now, everything is set up correctly. Everything is ready! Let's start by clicking New Project to open After Effects. Next, create a new composition and name it Duik Angela. Now it's time to launch the plugin we just installed. Go to the Window tab in the top menu, scroll down to the bottom, and select duikangela.jsx. When the prompt appears, just click Apply to finalize the setup. And there you have it! We've successfully completed the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Duik Angela from the official site. In our upcoming tutorials, we'll be using this powerful tool to bring characters to life and create professional animations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to show your support. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care.